So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished doing a little partial demo here. The old tub valve is sitting on the floor right there, and it was tied with these corrugated connectors. Those they were broken and spraying water, so they shut the water off to the home. So what they wanted to do is just cap it off temporarily, because they're going to come and do a whole remodel in this bathroom. So what they've got on the other side is a sink, and you can see here these are T's. So, and I don't know which side. I'm assuming this is hot and that's cold because the valve is on this side. But I don't know. I mean, it doesn't really matter as long as you get hot and cold to both sides. So these T's had the adapters screwed in. We got them unscrewed, took the piece of pipe that was existing and put a cap on it, capped it off. Same thing over here. Put a nipple on there, and then of course capped it off, and then so everything's tied back together. And it's iron pipe, so you just want to keep an eye on it, make sure nothing's leaking. But it's capped off. Water's back onto the home right now. Just monitor every area to make sure that if there's any water that it's drying up. You got some pretty good mold damage, but that'll be taken care of when you do your remodel. But for right now, it looks like you're in good shape. Anything else you need, give us a holler, let us know. Outside of that, this installation is done.